Horse Program is weekly update. Hi guys, welcome back to the episode 7 of the weekly update with your horse programmer. Today I have with me an assignment that we're doing in class right now. This is an console RPG dungeon crawler game that's a work in progress. I think next week will be an update of a more finished product, but I've been working a lot on this one, and today I had so many bugs. Oh dear. And when I tried to fix them, it never worked out. So I've got some things to show you, but it's not finished yet. So what we have here is an @ sign. That's your hero, and you are inside a dungeon of some sort. You can walk around. As you see, your vision is limited, so you discover more and more of the dungeon. One thing you can discover is a little rat, a red rat character here, who you can fight with. Let's see if this works. So the rat, each time you step into an enemy, you will attack them, and they will counterattack. And the rat logic is that every turn they will move a random direction, up, down, left, or right. And if they hit your character, they will attack you, and your character will counterattack them. As you can see, this is what happened. So first I attacked the rat, but this was overwritten because the rat attacked me. So I have some thoughts about how I will do that in another way. So you can see each attack in a nice way. We'll keep on attacking this guy. And we killed him and sent the rat to a gruesome death. So you can, when you have discovered a wall, it will stay in vision for the rest of the game here. And here we have another character. This is a snake enemy who will run from you once you're 2 spaces until you're when you're close enough, they will start running. But you have the possibility to corner them, and then they won't run anymore, so then you can start attacking them. And these guys are really tough, so I don't think I will be able to kill it. We'll see, we'll go back to him later. Maybe we're lucky this time. So we got a couple of rooms and a couple of rats and snakes, and that's basically it right now. When working on a game like this, I get a lot of ideas, and I'll be doing a lot of work trying to make the code look better. So it's been a slow process, and yeah, it's I'll show you the outline of the program soon, but we'll see what happens here. Maybe we can kill it. No, it killed us, and we die. And this is one of the bugs I thought I fixed before, but then I did something to it. So now it's supposed to write game over here, and your little sprite is supposed to disappear. But hopefully next week I have fixed that. So since this is an assignment, I won't look through how I fixed all the logic that I fixed, but I thought that I can show you how I built it, how I have designed it this far. There are some things I'm not happy with, and some things that I were happy with, but I later in the process found out that that's not a good way at all to do that. So yeah, learning a lot as I work with this project. But yeah, like the first class that we have is a class called level data that contains a lot of elements. And these elements are, as you can see here, we got a wall, we got a hero, and a rat, and a snake. That's basically the elements that will show up in the map as you venture into the dungeon. And yeah, this level data class can load a text file which has all the has the map written out with sprites, and it will convert those sprites into a list of level elements. And this list is the one I'm working with all the time during the game loop, as you will see later. This class can also write a status bar, the one with the name and the HP and stuff in the top. It can draw all the sprites that are supposed to be drawn. It can update vision. If the hero sees the sprites, they will become visible. And this class can also make all the characters that are supposed to do something. So all these different types of elements are contained in a level element class, an abstract class, which has a position, a sprite, a color of the sprite, and has a method to draw out this sprite in the map. But they can also update their visibility. We have a wall that's basically just a position that you can't go through. A containment. I don't think we need that. We got a character class which is pretty big, which has is a live property, a name property, an HP property. They have attack and defense die, and has a bool called was attacked this turn that I've been working with today. They can check collision, they can attack, they can calculate damage, they can print some voice lines, they can check results of the combat, they can move, and they can be removed from the playing field. The hero has a make turn method that each turn will be called upon, and the hero does stuff. They can also get a potential position, which will be checked for collision and stuff, if they're able to move or if they should attack. The enemy, we were supposed to make this class for the assignment, and I'm kind of using it, but just as a container for enemies right now. I'm not using this update method, so I will maybe do something with that. I don't think so. We got a rat who has a specific way to get its potential position, the random direction and stuff I told you about. And yeah, it also makes its turn. The snakes get potential position, will like calculate which place is best to go to get as far away from the hero as possible. And this one, as you can see, is 60 lines long, and I'm not really happy with that one. So maybe I will make a smarter decision and not repeating myself over and over. I have a little struct called position, which I use to keep track of all the sprites' position on the map. It can calculate distance between positions, and it can get a position using a little enum I made called direction. I made this because I thought it could be easier to write read the code, but I don't know. Maybe, like if a rat has a random number between 0 and 4, and if it's 0, it goes its y value decreases by 1. I think that's pretty hard to read. But if this is oh well, yeah, -1 up. If the 0 corresponds to a direction up, I think it's easier to read. I don't know. We got a dice class which we use to calculate defense and attack during combat. They can throw the dice, and it has an override to string method. And yeah, that's basically it. This is the game loop. So currently I only have one level, so it loads this level. Here, load level 1.txt. As you can see, it reads from a file, which is pretty fun, I think. And so as long as the hero is alive, we will do this loop. Print the status bar, update vision of sprites, draw the level, and update characters. Maybe I should just change positions of these ones. Yeah, it's a work in progress, and next week I hopefully have a cooler game to showcase. And yeah, if you want a special thing that you want me to implement, you can write that in the comment, and I will try to do it. If you want to vote for either inventory of some kind, a level system, another level with level progression, or a boss fight, you can write that in the comment as well. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend or a good day, whatever day you're viewing this video. See you next week. Bye bye.